the Tram, Fermata Torpinatara. And look here, see this building, this is the station. So this is the square here, Torpinatara. This is the Via Torpinatara, McDonald's. This is the street, this is the way. There's another road, this for the bus and the car. This is here. And then other side, Torpinatara. This is the Torpinatara Square. The big building. The big building is there. This is Torpinatara. So you can see this Torpinatara station. So the people are waiting here. Nobody's there now, but people will come after a few minutes. So I don't know why they're not coming. This is Torpinatara station, and this is, you can see, this is the billboard here to write for how many minutes the train will come. So I think it is now, there is waiting 12 stops for 23 minutes. So look, this is the evening time. It's a nice view. This is a tram. This is a tram street. There's no tram is coming at this moment. It's a tram station, Torpinatara. It's a too many Italian people and this Asian, African, Middle East, Chinese people. If the one person is coming. So this is here. Look, this is the nice. This is Italy, Rome. The people are here. Too many shops there. There is the grilled Torpinatara. So this is street, the bar. There's too many Bengal people live there, Asian, African, Arabic. So there's too many shops. There's a one kebab, Alibaba. Let's see there. This is the Torpinatara. This is again to the square. The square. People are crossing the street. McDonald's. One person is shouting. I don't know what is there. Let's see. It's here. So this is the last view.